For Apple Watch Band, 42mm Marge Plus genuine leather watch strap replacement band with stainless metal clasp for Apple Watch Series 3, Series 2, Series 1 Sport and Edition, brown special promotion. Save 50% on genuine leather 42mm dark brown when you buy this leather band 42mm method. Please search B075YF6FLF and B01EY9Tie5E on Amazon. Add both to cart, then buy them together. Need more styles and colors? Please search B01M98QHU7B077Z6XT5L B077D41 Kim B077ZBH938 B078GJZ5CB. Fit size, fits 6.3, 7.9, 160mm 200mm, wrist, it can be men's or women's, comfortable touch feeling on your wrist. Simple but attractive, look fantastic, and giving a nice professional look on any occasion. If you are looking for a 38mm version, please search B01EY9TWV0 on Amazon. Superior quality, 100% genuine leather band, premium soft top genuine leather with fashionable craftsmanship, new stylish design, comes with stainless steel polished silver-colored classic buckle, anti-slip and sweat absorbent. 18-month warranty. Our warranty time is longer than others as our quality is guaranteed, unconditionally refund or resend with any quality problems, lifetime friendly customer service, only offered by Marge Plus store. Warm tips. The real color of this item may be slightly different from the pictures shown on the website caused by many factors, such as brightness of your monitor and light brightness. And because of the natural variability of the crazy horse leather used in this band, the color may vary somewhat. However, the style, quality, and the everything else are all the same. AIYIBEN wooden watch band for Apple Watch, 100% eco-friendly natural hardwood watch strap thickened wrist bracelet for iWatch Series 3, 2, 1, Sport, Edition, walnut 42mm, hypoallergenic and eco-friendly, made of natural eco-friendly high-quality wood, non-toxic, non-polluting and hypoallergenic. It is suitable for people with sensitive skin. Each link has been polished to make you more comfortable to wear. You will feel that you are in touch with nature anytime and anywhere. High quality metal. The stainless steel connector is used for the strap connection, which are easy to install and hard to fall off. The stainless steel butterfly clasp is easy to open/close. All metals are not irritating to the skin and you can wear with confidence. Unique and fashion, give the perfect companion for your beloved Apple Watch. Each band has its own unique and beautiful wood grain, make your Apple Watch more luxurious and noble. Thickened design make it to be the best quality watch band in the market, you were worth to get. Free adjustment tool, precise design to fit well for most wrist. The package is equipped with one needle and one link remover, user can adjust the length easily using the provided tool. The best gift for any festival, whether it's birthday, anniversary, Christmas, or Thanksgiving Day. When you give this unique wood band as a gift to a unique person, you can't imagine how pleasant he would be. For Apple Watch Band 42mm 38mm iWatch Bands 38mm 42mm Milanese Loop for iWatch Band Series 3-1 for Apple Watch Band 42mm, top stainless steel mesh loop Apple Watch strap for iWatch Sports Edition Series 3-1, without cover case, iWatch Bands 42mm. Black Milanese loop band with durable adapters, very comfortable to wear and easy to install. For Apple Watch Band, fit for all 42mm versions of a watch band. Fit wrist size, 6.15 inch, 10.35 inch, 1-year warranty for Apple Watch Milanese loop. Feel free to contact for any quality issues tips. We don't recommend you use this Apple Watch band with daily desk work. Simpeak band for Apple Watch 3, replacement fashionable beaded elastic bracelet band strap for 38mm Apple Watch Series 3, Series 2, Series 1, pink for women girl perfect design fit for Apple Watch 38mm Series 1, 2015/Series 2, 2016/Series 3, 2017/Sport/Edition models, only for all 38mm versions, smartwatch not included. Fit for fixed wrist size, elastic strap, band length is suitable for 5.7 to 6.9 inch wrist size, the length can't be adjusted. Note: please measure your wrist size first. Change watch band within 10 seconds. Watch band comes with adapter on both ends. Easy to take on/off. Fashion and feminine handmade beaded design, fashion and comfortable, stylish, delicate and elegant looking. 5-year warranty, refund or replacement if there is any quality problems, lifetime friendly customer service to make our customer 100% satisfied.